Hi everyone, this is Michael Drolet, Sales Director for MacLean Power Systems Canada, and I'm here at IEEE in Chicago, where we're showing the industry all sorts of new things that we're doing in MacLean Power Systems. One of the big ones that excites me the most ever since I've joined the company is the fact that power grid components and all of their product lines are now going to be integrated into MacLean Power Systems, and you will be able to get them through us in the Canadian organization. One of the other things that's very exciting about MacLean Power Systems in the past few years is that we do transmission. We do the hardware kits, we do the insulators, we do strings such as these, as well as now offering hardened glass to go along with all of the polymer options that we've offered for many years. And last but not least, one of the things you might not know is that MacLean Power Systems Canada is based in Châteauguay, Quebec, where we make all of the grounding products that you can buy from all of our distributors across Canada.